Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the watch charged and paired. Start by unlocking it and opening the apps list. Once in apps, tap Settings to access time controls. If your watch defers to the phone, open the companion app on your phone now and go to Watch Settings. Make sure you have administrative access. Some corporate profiles block format changes. Proceed immediately to System or General Settings. Do not change faces yet, because time format is a system-level option. Once in System or General, scroll to Date and Time and tap it. You should see a 24/12-hour toggle labeled as 12-hour, use 12-hour, or use M/PM. Flip that switch to enable 12-hour time. If the option is grayed out, switch to your phone's companion app and change the watch format there, then sync. Make sure automatic network time is either on or off depending on your device. Sometimes toggling, once you flip the 12-hour toggle, exit settings and inspect several watch faces to confirm AM/PM displays as expected. If the change does not appear, restart the watch to force a settings refresh. Make sure the companion app has synced. Sometimes you must manually sync time. If problems persist, unpair and repair the device, which clears mismatched profiles. Quick troubleshooting. If corporate policies prevent change, contact the administrator to lift the restriction before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.